Welcome to 1281 Roberton Boulevard, located in the serene community of St. Andrews Lane. This stunning 2005 home features over 2,300 square feet, 2 bedrooms on the main floor, and a loft featuring your 3rd bedroom or den with its own lounging area. Let's step inside. The formal living area draws guests in with a warm fireplace and a feeling of the outdoors spilling in as nature's backdrop. At the heart of this home, the kitchen is a dream for culinary enthusiasts or entertaining guests. Beautifully surrounded by the front living and dining area so you can host, cook, and stay connected while entertaining guests or family. This open floor plan flows effortlessly from the formal dining area and cozy eating nook to a nearby family TV room, complete with French doors that open out to the patio. The 2nd bedroom sits conveniently near the main bathroom and the laundry area, offering functionality and flow. Your spacious primary bedroom is a true retreat, bathed in natural beauty with windows on both sides and a private access to the patio. Enjoy his and hers walk-in closets and a well-appointed ensuite with a walk-in shower. Now let's head upstairs. The airy loft with vaulted ceilings offers flexibility, perfect for a 3rd bedroom, a den, or guest accommodations with a relaxed lounge vibe. Moving outdoors where you'll find lush gardens with a treed backdrop of privacy, perfect for hosting or your own quiet enjoyment. Featuring 3 entrances to this oasis, this backyard is always enticing you to the outdoors. Entertain or unwind, all the while your gardens and landscaping are all professionally maintained. Perfect for those who have a busy lifestyle or travel often. Nestled in French Creek, close to all amenities in Parksville, and only a 5-minute drive to French Creek Marina and boat launch. This property is more than just a house. It's a lifestyle waiting for you to embrace. So come home to tranquility. Come home to comfort. Your carefree living awaits. I'm Brenda Liming with Real Broker, your trusted senior real estate specialist. I'm here when life moves you.